Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to send a direct message on Twitter, on X. So the first step is go to the application of X here, and after that you need to if you want to send a message to a person, you need to go to the profile of that person. So if you want to send a message, for example, to this person, you need to pick here in their profile, and in their profile you need to for you send a message to this person needs to activate the option of messages. If that person don't have that activate that option, you can't send a message. For example, here in this part you can send a message to this person, but some people don't have that option activated. For example, here we got this profile, and if this person have the option activated in their profile, but you can send a message to this person because they have the option blocked. So remember, you need that person need this option activated to send you a message. If that person don't have this option activated, you can send a message. So this option here in the feed, you can here in the bell, you can see the people who you sent to a message, and here in the letter you can see the person who you send a message to. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.